I know that for many beginners, casting on is very intimidating, but not anymore. Did you know that the easiest way to cast on is actually with a crochet hook? Grab your crochet hook and I'll show you how to do this, and just look how perfect it looks. Let's start. Okay, so wrap the yarn around your finger, have your crochet hook, and chain 2. 1 and 2. Now have this loop on your crochet hook. Grab your knitting needle, put it on the left side of your crochet hook, and chain 1. Now I have the yarn at the front side of my needle. I will take it at the back side and I will chain 1. Take the yarn, put it at the back side of your needle and chain 1. Let me show you. Take it at the back side and chain 1. Take it at the back side and chain 1. You have your yarn at the front side of your needle when you're finished, so you have to remember to put it at the back side and just chain. Take the yarn at the back and chain, and just repeat this as many times as you need. So I have to admit, this looks much better than what I do when I'm using my hands. So you can put the last loop as well. Yes, so look how good it looks and how easy it is. Just take your yarn, put it at the back side of your needle and chain 1. And this is the easiest way to cast on. Let me know in the comments if you like it, and also hit the like button if you did. Thank you. Bye bye.